This cat is silently judging every life decision you have made.
He will not explain himself, and that somehow makes it worse.
You know exactly what mistake he is thinking about right now.
He expected better from you today, honestly. That blink means your explanation has been rejected.
You are no longer worth his direct attention. This judgment will stay with you all day. He has forgiven nothing and forgotten nothing.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.